Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're here for the first time, I would like you to click on the subscribe button and subscribe to our channel. And if you already subscribed, I would like you to turn on the notification bar to get more videos, to get notified when we post more new videos. So alright, for those that have subscribed, thank you very much for subscribing to our channel. Alright, so today we'll be talking about the CAC new portal. I call it new portal because almost everything on their site has really changed, like both the interface, everything has changed. So I call it a new site. So CAC worked on their URL, that is, they changed it from pre, like if you are going on pre-corporation, right? For now, their post-corporation is not going through for now. So, but for their pre-corporation, where you can make your name reservation, create an account, and do many other things. So they really worked on the site, and they are still working on it. They are still working on it because on agent portals, many people can't they can't find their job, and from time to time their job are showing, and not really all jobs are showing on the dashboard. So they are really working on the site, but um, for now they have really done good job on the site. So if you are used to the site, like the pre cac.gov.ng, so if you enter the site, it will take you to this interface, this 404 page not found. So the next thing, it will bring out this thing, and this is it. So why is because they changed their URL to icrp.cac.gov.ng/login, but we are not logging in now. This is how if you enter the previous site, like that pre cac.gov.ng. so this how it will bring, this is the interface it will bring out. 404 page not found. So actually they are really working on it, but they are not yet like fully done with the site, but they have done a great job. They have done a great job. Because they changed it to an AI powered site, kind of stress free. All right, let's move on. So if you stuck here, many of you will like to click on this login, or you may like to click on this icon here. If you just click on this icon, it will bring you to this interface. So this interface, you can maybe probably read through if you want to read through, but let's, for the sake of this video, let's move directly to why we are here. So why we are here is to create an account and also make a name reservation on CAC portal. All right, so first thing, we are going to sign up. We're going to sign up. So if you click on sign up, it will take you to this interface. This is the interface it will bring. So let me explain from the top parts now. Let me explain. So this find exist slash query application is when you make, when you are trying to create an agent account. Well, all of, I guess most of you really know what is an agent account. So if you have an if you want to create an agent account, then you started the application of creating an agent account and got stuck somewhere, or probably your system got off, then you were trying to start it afresh, and it's telling you that you have a previous application on an agent account. Okay, what you just do, you come to this place, then you click on this box here. You click on this box here. So once you click on this box here, you either put your username, because that's among the first thing is going to ask you when creating an agent account. So either click your username, your email, or your phone number. So any of these three you put here, then you search it. You should search it. Let's say I put my phone number here. I put my phone number here, for instance. Then I search it. It's going to search the application. You see, it's showing me no user registration found, showing that this is not the phone number, or I'm just doing it for the sake of the video because I did not do any agents registration. I've not started any agents registration for this portal now and leave it. But if you find yourself in this category where you started an agent account, or probably your system got off, or your desktop, and you can continue it, this is the place you can continue it. All right, let's move on in creating three account type. You understand? It's just like you want to open an account, a bank account. Now there is savings accounts, there is current account, so that is it here. So like this place now, we have three types of accounts. We have the public user account, we have the accredited agent account, and we have the entity account. All right, I'm going to explain these three types of accounts in this video. All right, so like I said, if you have not subscribed, click on the subscribe button, it doesn't bite. All right, let's move on. So we're going to let me explain this public user. Now public user for um this public user is mainly for one time application, or probably if you are registering, if you want to open a public account, the person you register, the first information you're using for the registration will be the director if you want to register any other business in that same account. You get? So it's just like, I usually call it one time account, because if you're opening this account, if you're opening this public account, public user now, it will only carry the details of the first person you used the details in creating the account as the director. You understand? Either the director or the proprietor. So that's it for the user account. So this user account, this public user now, is like for a personal use, for a personal let's say a personal, somebody that wants a personal account on its own. It's for the public. Yeah, I call it for the public. So this agent account now, this agent account is the agent account is like an account, is is an agent account whereby different agents can have access to it, and probably you can register multiple companies, multiple business, multiple, you can register NGOs on it without having any issues of the first people registering it having like being the director or something like that. You understand? So this like an agent account where you can do multiple registration, like you can register many businesses, you can register many companies, you can register many NGOs as you wish on an accredited agent account. And there is many other features again, but these are the basic features of an accredited agent account. So this entity account is an account whereby um is an account whereby it's for business, it's for companies, and it's for NGO, whereby they can, it's like a post incorporation account where a business can register and they can be paying their annual return on it. Get? So an entity account now is an account whereby a business or a company will register, and once they are registered on an entity account, they can be paying their annual return directly from this their personal account. You understand? So they can be paying their annual returns, do change of anything, any post corporation job can be done in this entity account. And this entity account, before you create it, you must fill a form. You must fill a form before can you must fill a form and submit it to CAC before you can have access to it. So if you want more details on it, you can read through this stuff here. Once you just click on it like this, so that's it. So let's move on. The first thing we're going to do here is create a public user account. So that's what we want to do. We'll create a public user account. All right, continue. All right, here is it. Create a public user account. This is the first interface. So public user account now. So these are the informations that are needed. These are the informations you need. So let's fill the informations. Let's say, all right, let's fill the information. Surname, first name, other name, all right, date of birth, let's say date of birth is um gender, female. If you're female, you choose female, but I'm a male. All right, so nationality, of course, you all know it's Nigeria, except you're creating a personal account for a foreign client. So I'm in Nigeria. So phone number 081. All right, email. Let's put email there. Then we have to confirm the email again by putting it back again here. And most of you may be having issue of copying and paste is not working. Copying and paste is not working here. You have to retype it back again. All right, we have to retype it back again. Copy and paste is not working here. Oh. All right, so all right, so username, let's assign username. Let's say let's give the username um bentech is our username. Then the password, let's put the password. All right, password. So here occupation, you can just put business. I usually put business. Occupation, I put business. You can put businessman, businesswoman, but occupation I usually put business. So means of identification. So means of identification, we have driver's license, we have international passport, we have national ID card, we have permanent voters card. But I'm going to be using national ID card. So and here it's identity number. This identity number is your NI number, your NIN number, your NIL number. So I will put in my NIN number here. I will put in my NIN number here. All right. So Nigeria is already on Nigeria. States. Let me put state. Okay, let me look for let me put Bauchi State. And local government, let me put Bauchi again. Postal code, this one is optional, but if you feel like putting it, you can put it, but it's an optional option, like it's optional, yeah. So So let's come to town, city, town or village. You can put also put Bauchi. It depend on where you're staying. Um, but me is Bauchi I'm putting here. So house number I usually put number one. You understand? Or you can put number two, number 23. You can put any number, your house number. If you don't have house number, I advise you to put number one. So once you're done filling the form, then you click on this register right here. You click on this register right here. All right. All right. So let's the next stage here is after creating an account, the next thing now is to log in. You understand? So the next thing now is to log in. So I'm logging into my account right now. So I'll be using Supreme Beauty, and my username here is Supreme Beauty Place. So this is my login interface. This is how the login interface look like. The new login CC new login interface. This is how it look like. So if you are logging in now, um it will ask for your username. Then you put the username where we put the username when we are doing the registration, where I put Pentech, but I'm registering it. I'm logging in as Supreme Beauty Place. This is the username I use for my logging in to create an account. So if you are using email, you can use you can use email and put in the email here, then put the password. If you're using phone number, you put in the phone number here and put um the password. Then accredited number, if you're an accredited agent. So let's accredited number. If you're an accredited agent, then you can click here, then proceed. Understand? It will ask for your NBA slash ND IND, then your password. But I'm logging in with my username. So you click on login. All right. So if you're logging in, it will ask you that we have added an extra layer to the effect. So it will ask you to do a two-factor authentication. So this is the new method CAC brought now. To send an OTP to the email before logging in. So this is the new um, improvements they brought. So I will check my email. All right. So let me put my OTP right there. All right. Let me submit it. Okay. Here is it. This is the interface. So this is how everything looks like here. This is how everything looks like. So if you are used to the previous site, ah everything don't change. Oh, everything has really changed. Like the thing is even looking like trademark portal. Honestly, everything has really changed on the site. The interface, everything has really changed, and I believe they are still working on it. There are still many more improvements coming on. So like I said, we are done creating an account. We're done creating an account, and we have logged in. So now we move to the next stage, is which is making a name reservation for a business, either a business, an NGO, a company. So let's make a name reservation. So I'll be making a name reservation for a business name. So we'll click on this new reservation, new reservation. All right, it will ask you for business classification. So it's a business name. I want to register a business name. So um is it a sole proprietor? Is it a partnership? So it's a sole proprietor. Then click on continue. Then it will now ask you for the business name. It will now ask you for the business name. So let's say I want to register the business name as Supreme. I want to register the business name as Supreme Beauty. Supreme Beauty. Alright, let's say Supreme Beauty Palace. Supreme Beauty Palace. Alright, so you should come to this place. Nature of business. Nature of business. I usually put order service activity. So I usually put order service activity because this is like a general option for me, because once I put this, it can carry many business objective without querying the job, you understand. So I usually go for, you may go for the specific services the business or company render. So but I usually go for other service activity, but I don't know for you. You can choose, the choice is yours. So I'll go for this other service activities, and that's it. So this specific nature of business, then I still go for other service activities. Then and I'll now check availability. So CAC before, it's just go and make name search on search CAC's um website, where you can make your name search. Then if the name is available, or if you see that the name is not available, then you can come and register the name here. And at the long run, if you register the name, you now find out that the name is already, there is a name it will be rejected, that there is a name already existing with that name you registered with. So this normally brings some issues um to many agents, or probably people who want to register their business, which it will lead them to go and pay another money again for them to get um another name reservation, to make another name reservation for them again. And it usually costs a lot. So you check the availability of name now. Let's check the availability of name. So this new update CAC brought now, you see that they will tell you that the name Supreme Beauty Palace do not pass the compliance check. That is telling you that this business name is already approved, like there is someone owning this name, having this name. So let me just read it out. This business name, Supreme Beauty Palace, do not pass the compliance check. Proposed name does not include any business name qualifier. Please add a qualifier to improve the chance of approval. So e.g. business, sons, daughter, manager, partner, and global. Please update the name. Alright, let's update the name. Let's update the name. Okay. Let me remove this palace. Let me put it Supreme Beauty. Check availability. Alright. So it's still telling us the same thing. It's still telling us the same thing. Business name, the business name Supreme Beauty did not pass the compliance check. Proposed name does not include any business name qualifier. So this is trying to tell us that probably this name has been taken. Is alright. So CAC made an improvement of, if the name is already existing, you get a name suggestion which you have to pay 200 naira. They made this improvement that they will give you a name suggestion, and if you are paying that 200 naira, you are very sure that this name will not be denied. Is certain that one is sure that the name will not be denied. So this AI now will generate a new name for you. It will generate a new name for you so that you can register it. So just 200 naira here, and the new name will be out for you so that you can go with it. And if you go with that name, it's certain that it's not going to be denied. It's not going to be denied. All right. So, like I said, CSA are still working on this side. So, probably if you click on it, this gets name suggestion. It will it will still give you a name suggestion, but they are still working on it. They are not done working on this site fully. So let's make this modification on this name. So let's say Supreme Beauty. Let's join the Supreme Beauty together. Supreme Beauty. Let's say Supreme Beauty Bauchi. Alright, let's check availability. Still the same thing. Oh. Alright, so okay, so I put this is the name I put here. Alright, so Supreme Beauty Pinnacle. So, and the name is available. You see that if you don't want the AI generated one, which you have to pay 200 naira for AI for them to suggest for you a name that will go, you can just give it a name. You can just give it your own suggestion. You don't want it to generate for you. You want to generate, like, you want to bring your own and check the availability. So this name now is setting, like gong gong is setting that if you register this name, it's going to go through. No deny, nothing. Like this one is like, AI now. AI is giving us the accurate information here that this name is not on CAC portal. You understand? So we are going with Supreme Beauty Pinnacle. So and it's telling us congratulations, the business name Supreme Beauty Pinnacle is available for registration. So for the sake of the video, I'll just click on continue. So now we have clicked on continue. Here is it now. You see this check like verified is showing that we are good to go. You get, it's showing that we are good to go. All right, so let's continue. Then you continue, which is the payment process. So CAC have really changed almost everything on this site. So this is the remitter now. You can copy the remitter number, copy it. I usually copy it because anything can happen. Then click on remitter. We are done making the payments. So the payment process has been completed. So you should go to your dashboard now. You should go to your dashboard. So the payments, we have made the payment and the payment process has been completed. So if you come to your dashboard right now, you'll be seeing it should be making the payments. You're done making the payments now. So like I said, CAC are not fully done with their site. All right, so we are done making the payments now. So and here is it. It's not showing anything. We are done making the payment and it's not showing anything here. So like I said before, CAC are not done working on the site fully. So there's still some errors that they need to work on. So and I think this error will be done, they'll be done working on this error by 1st August. Like that's when they say they are going to make increments on the prices of um the registration, on the fee of the registration, like the registration fee. They are going to make some adjustments on it. So I think by next month or probably ending of this month, everything should be stable on the site. So like this now, we have made the payment and it's not reflecting on this dashboard right here. So I'll advise everyone to stay calm, like just relax, don't rush. Yeah, it's a good improvement, but um I'll advise you to just keep calm for now because the site, they are still trying to really work on it. But from the improvements on this, what they have done so far, they are really trying, and it's a good idea. It's a good idea. Thank you very much, all. Please, if you're here for the first time, I would like you to subscribe too. Please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you very much, all. Bye.